Now solved, dear learners. I'm going to prepare a few questions on the topic of profit and loss as a revision questions answer for the 7th grade third term examination. So here I go with the first question. A camera was sold for 5,500 rupees with gaining 10% on cost. So what was the cost price of the camera? So the things which are given here is selling price of the camera that we are given here rupees 5,500, and there's gain of 10% during this transaction. He gained 10% on cost when he sold the camera for 5,500, and we are asked here what was the cost price of the camera. Okay? So CP, cost price of the camera, is asked, and we can find the CP of the camera by using this formula: CP equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. So selling price we are given here 5,500 rupees into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent. So this number of profit percent we write here, so that's 10, and then it gets here 55, 1 2 3 4 zeros, and divide by 110, is it? And then 1 0 we get cancel dividing both by 10, or cancelling by 10. So 55,000 divided by 11, we get 11 5s are 55, so it's 5,000. So you can conclude here CP of the camera is equal to rupees 5,000. So done. This is number A I did. And I'll go with the second question. So in the second question it is said here, a helmet seller purchased. Okay, wait, I keep question first here. Okay, so here I've kept the question. So it says what? A helmet seller purchased a helmet for rupees 800 and sold it gaining 30%. Is it? What is the selling price of the helmet? So the first condition, right? So two conditions are attached in the same question over here. First condition says what? He had purchased it for 800 rupees. So its cost price of helmet, what we are given here, is it? That is rupees 800, and he sold it gaining 30%. So gain percent is given, is it? Gain percent is 30%, we are provided here, and we ask here at what price he has sold the helmet. So we have to find a selling price. For that, let's identify gain amount first. Now sorry, so gain equal to 30% of CP, is it? So 30%, 30 divided by 100 into CP 800. So by 100, 800 you cancel for 8 times, so 8 3 24, so 240 rupees is the gain, is it? So by gaining 30%, he makes gain 240 rupees, and selling price will become here more, is it? More than the cost price, since there is gain. So for that we have to do what? SP equal to CP plus gain. So cost price is 800 rupees and gain amount is 240, so you get added, so 1040 rupees will be your selling price, is it? And after that, now let's go with the second condition. In second condition we are said here, how much percent would he gain if you could sell it for rupees 1000, is it? So the thing is what, he is selling it for now lesser price. When he sold for 1040, he was gaining 30%. Now he's selling it for only 1000 rupees, and in this case what percent of gain he will make, we are asked here. So second case is CP is same, he had purchased it for 800 rupees, now he is selling it for rupees 1000. So in that case what percent of gain he will make, we are asked here. So let's identify gain amount first. So gain is difference between selling price and cost price. So SP we keep front because SP is greater here. So from SP 1000 rupees, CP 800 we get subtracted, that you get there 200 rupees, and now we are about to find its percentage. So to find the gain percent, we have to keep your gain amount above, and cost price we have to keep below, and into 100% we do. So here gain is 200 rupees and the cost price is 800 rupees, and into 100% we do. is it? And just we do this, how much we're going to get? By 200, 800 you can cancel for 4 times, or you may go by some simpler numbers or smaller numbers for us to cancel. Then finally get that last one which I said as by 200 to divide. I'm doing directly, like 200 into 1 is 200, 204 is 800, and into 100 percentage, and 100 divided by 4 you get that 25 percentage. So their gain percent is 25 percentage. So this for the second case, where we are finding gain, where we have found gain percent 25%, when he sold the same helmet which was purchased for 800 for the 1000 rupees, right? Okay, so I'm made it clear with number B. Now I go with another number. Now another number. Okay, let's copy the question first. Okay, so this another number where it says a digital seller, right? He purchased an old laptop for 20,000. Is it? Uh, So he makes sell and purchase of old laptops or new laptops alike. He purchased old laptop. It was for 20,000, and he installed RAM of 16 GB, making expense of 16,000. Is it? So the thing is, what he purchased old laptop, is it? And he made some changes in his hardware software like that. Alright. So first he installed RAM of 16 GB, making expense of 16,000, and then he changed its hard disk into SSD, which we call solid state drive. Is it? So he changed it hard disk into SSD, costing rupees 12,000. So to further cost, he is making, is it? So making new RAM, is it? With cost of 16,000, and making SSD, is it? And that's for 12,000. So we ask here what is his total cost price after these upgrades, is it? So that we have to find. And after that, if he wishes to sell it gaining 20%, at what minimum price should he sell it, is it? So if you wish to gain 20%, at what price should he sell it, we are asked here. So let's go for this now. First we are given here cost price of old laptop, is it? Cost price or purchase price of old laptop. So he purchased it for rupees 20,000. The first thing what we are given is this, is it? And he made expense on first RAM, is it? So RAM install cost. RAM install cost he did with cost of 16,000 rupees. He purchased RAM and install it. So its cost is there 16,000 rupees. And after that, he turned his hard disk into the SSD, is it? So SSD cost, so it's 12,000. So these all three costs will get added together, and total cost of the laptop will be obtained, or total cost of the laptop after upgrades we get here. So total cost of laptop after upgrades. So it is here 20,000 original cost, 16,000 is for the RAM purchase and its installment, and the 12,000 is for the SSD. Okay, so these three add together we get there 38 plus 28 plus 20, that is 48,000. So he made his total cost of the laptop is now 48,000. And after identifying this, it said that he wishes to sell it at gain of 20%. So what should be the minimum selling price of it, or what should be the selling price to gain 20%, is it? And to gain 20%, is it? To gain 20%, how much gain should we make? Let's see. So gain equal to here 20% of cost price, is it? So 20%, 20 divided by 100 into cost price is 48,000, is it? So 25, so you may say, or let's cut it by 100 to this 40,000. So 480 we get this. So 20 into 480, right? 20 I'm not cancelling. So 20 into 480, so 00 2816 24819. So 9600 rupees is the gain amount. Then total sale price. So the total sale price is equal to cost price plus gain amount, right? So cost price is here 48,000, is it? And gain amount is 9600. So let's get added. So by adding we get there double zero, is it? And 6, then 8 and 9, 8 9 17 and 415. So 57,600. Then therefore total selling price of laptop is 57,600 rupees. So I made it clear with these three questions. Up to you have watched. Thank you for watching.